In this video, we will show you how to make your existing software quantum safe using post-quantum cryptography before the era of quantum computing. Not only can quantum computers do things faster, but they will also let us do things that we couldn't even have dreamed of before. Things that even the best supercomputer cannot achieve practically. This is called quantum advantage. Google announced their achievement of quantum advantage in 2019. Together with D-Wave, they use quantum computers to improve the software of self-driving cars. However, the power of quantum computers is a double-bladed sword. A quantum computer also has the potential to break public key systems that are used today. The White House announced that President Joe Biden has signed a national security memorandum aimed at maintaining U.S. leadership in quantum information sciences and mitigating the risks of quantum computing to the nation's security. The National Security Agency also released a notification to plan, prepare, and budget for a transition to quantum-safe algorithms to assure sustained protection of classified information that is critical to military and intelligence activities in the event a superquantum computer becomes an achievable reality. The most efficient solution to harness your system is the post-quantum cryptography, PQC. PQC is a group of classical algorithms running on classical computers to protect your system from quantum attacks. You don't need a quantum device to adopt PQC. Currently, the National Institute of Standards and Technology approved 7 PQC algorithms to replace modern public key encryption algorithms and digital signatures. If you have sensitive data to protect but you don't have the expertise to protect them against quantum threats, we are here to help. To migrate existing cryptography to quantum-safe cryptography with minimum effort. We developed and validated a roadmap called 7E. You can find the details on the quantum computing page of our website. We will also make your system crypto-agile, which means that legacy cryptography can be easily swapped with new cryptography without significant impact on other components of your system. For more details, you are more than welcome to drop us a line or visit our website. Thank you for watching this video. Stay quantum safe.